Unknown hotspots detected swirling around Milky Way's supermassive black hole. This is on Sputnik News. Details from NASA's findings. Objects came to light after researchers caught a glimpse of three mind-boggling light flares detected by the landmark Chile-based VLT, that's a Very Large Telescope, and its impressively sensitive instrument called Gravity. Last October, a little before the first image of the supermassive black hole of galaxy M87 saw the light of day, this is thanks to the EHT Event Horizon Telescope, astronomers announced a no less stunning detail. That's that they found some possibly plasma-made hotspots spinning around the innermost possible orbit of a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A, at the Milky Way's center. Compared to other black holes, Sagittarius A is bleaker and less striking in appearance despite its enormous mass being approximately 4 million times greater than the mass of our Sun. But the data from the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, shed light on the way material flows towards black holes, growing into what the Perimeter Institute's Avery Broderick called monsters lurking in the night. Meanwhile, as for astrophysicists, this glimpse of plasma blobs is important, with researchers saying that they have witnessed a totally new environment which is totally unknown, according to cosmologist from Munich, Nico Hamaus, as this is what he was quoted saying to the Daily Galaxy. The newly detected hotspots, as per researcher Joshua Sokol, quote, afford astronomers their closest look yet at the funhouse mirrored space-time that surrounds a black hole. He explained, and in time additional observations will indicate whether those known laws of physics truly describe what's going on at the edge of where space-time breaks down. He noted while Oliver Pfuhl, a scientist at the Max Planck Institute for Extraterrestrial Physics, said it was a mind-boggling experiment to actually witness materials orbiting a massive black hole at 30% of the speed of light. The material emission from the highly energetic electrons that are very close to the black hole became visible as three outstanding bright flares. They essentially matched forecasts about hotspots orbiting gigantic black holes, and the flares are thought to originate from magnetic interactions in the hot gas blobs. To examine the curious flares, researchers made use of the ESO's, that's the European Southern Observatory, exceptionally sensitive gravity instrument on the Very Large Telescope, VLT, interferometer with light from the 4 telescopes at the VLT array in Cerro Paranal in Chile, being combined to arrive at one singularly giant telescope. Earlier this year, a gravity telescope coupled with another VLT, Very Large Telescope instrument, the Symphonie, enabled the same research team to accurately estimate the close flyby of the star S2 as it whizzed through extreme gravitational field near Sagittarius A, thereby revealing the effects predicted by Albert Einstein in his general relativity theory in an extreme environment, as during the flyby a strong infrared emission was registered. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.